Ladies and gentlemen, the sun's back in action.
Give me, she cut me away, girl. So I'm banking on Virginia to keep me coming clear. Trying to run away from the big ass black man that's getting near. I named him Virginia May, 'cause he's looking mighty gay. I don't know why he's coming after me now, but I'm just trying to get me away. Yeah, baby, I ran away from Virginia May. He's a big ass gay man, yeah. He looked like Daniel, a big ass werewolf, just coming my way to say, oh, I'm my way, Virginia May. I just wanna go to bed. I don't know why I'm still here, I'm trying to make best of it.